and wisdom.
Yes. As being a human in this planet,
not as good as mine.
came as a human being, walking with 2 feet, you know. So if I was walking with 4, you know,
4 feet.
4 feet, like, you know, 4, you know, hands and everything down, then I will have tail and horn, you know. Yeah? So it's difficult, you know.
Are you speaking?
So I
Are
can't
you
do
speaking
anything.
bull?
So as you know, you have got the responsibility. That means, you know, God put me in 2 feet, yeah.
Yep.
So I'm responsible, you know.
You
like,
do.
I have to balance, you know.
And you're a master. You're a master of weaving.
Oh yes.
These are
Thank you very
amazing.
much,
These
yeah.
are amazing carpets. How many years have people been weaving these types
So
of
you're
carpets?
taking my introduction
I
or
am.
something in
Because
that
I reckon,
interview?
I think it would be. No, I am.
Interview? This is what
Interview.
modern technology is all about. It's
But-
very good. You
Should
know,
put you
like,
on
at least
YouTube.
we
I'll put you on YouTube.
yeah? So thing is,
I'm keeping you alive.
I've been working, like not exactly working, but in my mind from childhood.
Yeah,
You know, I have been with these materials
yeah.
because my grandfather used to dye these materials in
Did he?
Tibet.
In Tibet. Are you
Yeah.
Tibetan?
Yeah, I was born in Ramoche
Ramoche.
in Tibet, in Lhasa.
In
So
Lhasa.
yeah,
Oh,
and my mother's still there.
yeah. Do you have big family?
Oh, a big family in a sense. Like I got married, I have a child. You know, like 3 daughters. You know.
Yeah. Do they weave as well? Do they do
Well,
carpets?
actually, you know, they are like now they're taking interest.
Yeah,
you know,
good.
They're taking interest in these things. You know, like I mean, the eldest one, and younger ones are, you know, like you know, these days, yeah, mobile. You know,
Mobile phones. Everybody has mobile phones. I know.
every time, you know, I see in the corner somewhere, you know, everybody's like, you know, like somewhere, you know.
Yeah,
underneath
on a
tree,
phone.
Underneath a
Yeah,
tree, you know,
yep.
inside, you know, like restaurant. 4 guys go together and they say, let's go to have tea, you know, and they're busy.
And what do you think? You know, when you were young, you have no phones. You know.
It's somewhat like a change in life has come, but you know, like when this mentality, you know, like sort of, you know, like pressure and heaviness in the mind,
Yes.
you know, is I think more, you know, difficult
Yep.
for people to communicate very close. It is
Intimate
distance away.
Yeah, good
because no,
communication.
it is taking away
Yeah.
apart from us.
It separates us.
Yeah.
Yep.
Because we have in old days we drink cup of tea together.
Yeah.
We talk, you know, and we know exactly reality life.
Yeah,
You know.
yeah.
Now the life is inside the screen.
Yeah. And people think it's real.
And people
They think it's real.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you before we used to write in the notebook. Yeah. Everything. And carry a
logbook.
Yeah.
Notebook.
Notebook. What were you writing?
Write the phone numbers and you know some things, notes and everything, and then you put in the pocket, you know. And then nowadays you write everything here, you put in the pocket, you sit, you know, and finish.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it breaks or something.
We
you know,
type. We type it.
Yeah, and one day maybe, you know, like if there's no electricity, or if there is, you know, a problem with something, energy, you know, then it's a big problem. Everybody will have plastics in their pocket instead of money.
Instead of food.
Yeah. And nobody eat plastic. Yeah.
You can't eat plastic.
Yeah. So
This is
a-
true.
A big problem.
That's very wise.
Like for instance, you know, there is something going on somewhere in one country. People running here and there, and they have plastic in the pocket.
Yeah.
Yeah. And a lot of number, and but suddenly they say, "Oh, this is not going to work now. Finish. This currency is not working." You know what you do?
And then what? And then what?
Then finish.
And you'll still be doing
But
carpets.
still, you know, you have to have insight.
Yes.
You, happiness.
Yes.
And you have to have the resistance. You know, whatever happens in the world.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Yep.
You have to have that resistance, and you have to shine from there.
Be happy anyway.
Always. Always.
You're awesome. You're amazing.
Thank you.
You're more Buddha. You're more
You
Buddhist
look
than a
so
Buddha.
colorful, and I feel like talking more and more.
Yeah, talk more and more. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Yeah.
It's not often I meet someone who does all these carpets. I just want to point them all out. These carpets, how long would they take to make?
You see, like if I take out wool from an old material, which is like, I mean, trashed, you know, people throw it,
Yeah.
discard the material. So what I do is I let some women at that time, they used to work for me. I have to put the dust mask and everything,
Yep.
and they wash very nicely. They wash by themselves because they have to take out the wool. So when they take out the thread, you know, it's a flat loom and it comes like zigzag like this, you know.
Yep.
Yeah, and then we collect that kind of wool, and it takes about a year to
So
finish.
it's a llama wool?
No,
No.
it's from the textiles, you know. So there are mixed wool.
Oh, you recycled.
Yeah, recycled.
Yep.
Yeah. And the colors and everything is like maybe 100 years or more, maybe 60
100 years
yeah.
old. Wow.
Because those color and those wool which has been, string, you know,
Yep.
what do you call this? When they make the string, spun. You know,
Oh,
spun.
yes.
It's old spun, old color.
Yes.
I don't have to spun it, you know, and color is already there. And wool is best quality.
Wool is best
Yeah.
quality.
So the carpet becomes very beautiful.
How long does the carpet last for?
Well, the carpet, if you finish weaving that, you know, like it'll last maybe more for like 200 years, 100 years.
200 years.
It'll last. Yeah.
Can
Longer
you
than
believe
you.
that? Oh, longer than I'm alive.
Yes, if you
The
take care, you know,
carpet's
because
still.
there are some Sogdian carpets, you know, which is very old, maybe 500 years, 600 years. Still today, you
Really?
can find them. Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, and it's how you take care. It depends on how you take care.
Do the patterns have any meaning? Like, do they have a story?
Yes, you know, this is like my pattern. You know, this one is supposed to be the galaxy.
Oh, wow, the
Yeah,
galaxy.
This big one, yeah, this galaxy, all like gas and planets, and you know, like interesting, you know, all this, you know, like it's like
Which planets?
galaxy.
Do you know which planets or just any planets?
Well, it's like in the universe, you know, if you point to one, you know,
Yep.
there is like very difficult.
Yeah.
Because if you don't point at all, then you'll know everything.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we don't know
The
everything.
universe is like that. I think.
Yeah.
Because I'm staying here, and if somebody says point the sky, I point up.
Yeah.
And somebody's down there, you know, opposite of the planet. He's pointing down the sky.
That's Australia.
Yeah, he's pointing down. You
To
know?
the sky.
Yeah, sky here.
Yeah.
You see, so there's no point.
No point in
No
pointing.
pointing.
No pointing. No point.
No point. It's all.
You're funny.
Yeah, it's all flying all over, everywhere. Yeah, we are just, you know, like floating. You know,
We are.
floating.
I know. Isn't it amazing?
I feel water is the relation between us.
Water.
Water, yeah.
Yep. Is the
Water.
relation.
The first relation with the, you know, like life is
Yes.
water.
On Earth. Yes.
On earth is water.
Tingly.
Yep.
And I feel water itself was a planet before.
You like
Yes.
tingly
You know, it
colours.
was a round planet,
Wow.
liquid planet with lot of living beings inside the water. Maybe there is like grass and lot of things, you know, like trees. A big
On other planets. On other planets.
just like a globe,
Yep.
round ball, you know, like a ball, you know, water. It's going around the atmosphere of the, you know, this Earth, you know,
Yep.
somewhere. Earth itself is like a rock with a lot of heat, you know, only fire.
Yeah.
Because the sun,
Yep.
every time hitting, and then there is nothing there, no gas, nothing, only fire, you know, like some hot. And then this water,
Came.
you know, this thing went round and round, and it touched the Earth's atmosphere, and the gravity of the Earth pulled the water.
Sucked it in.
And then when the water came, it landed on Mount Kailash.
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 Ah.
Yes.
In Tibet.
Ah. In Tibet.
Yes. And when it landed on Mount Kailash, then that, you know, cradle around the Mount Kailash, you can see.
Wow.
You know,
Wow.
mountain
What
was,
an
you know,
image.
very tall before.
Yeah.
Mount Kailash was very tall.
Yeah. And then the water
And
just.
when the water kept on hitting it, it became round.
Yeah.
You know, and then then there's all the water, you know, it started to mix with the gas, you know, the fire, and
Yep.
it create oxygen everywhere. And then all the living beings in the water is scattered here and there. Some become trees, some become animal, mammal,
yeah.
whatnot, yeah,
Yeah.
everything. Okay,
Yep.
and this is how I think. My way of thinking.
Beautiful.
My way of thinking and meditation. It says that we were there in the water.
Yes. We were there.
And we came out of the
Yes.
water. Yeah. Well, that's what they say, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then, you know, it filled in all the gaps of this planet, and it became ocean and everything.
Yes.
We could stay here all afternoon. I think we must think about moving on.
But very interesting. Very interesting.
Very good to talk with you again.
Yeah,
Thank
I
you so
meditate,
much.
I meditate on water,
Yeah.
Good.
and so we are all same.
We are.
Good.
We are. Thank you so much for sharing your story.
Thank you.
We love you.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for keeping this alive,
You
this
look
tradition.
very colorful today. Yeah.
And
that's
I've been
it,
drinking
that's
lots of
nice.
water.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Life, you know, it's colorful. It's very nice.
It is. It
You
is.
see the weather outside. You see the birds.
beautiful,
You see the trees.
yeah.
You know, Nepal is so beautiful.
It is. It's an awesome place.
That's why I like to stay here
Yeah.
every time. You know.
Yeah.
That's, each time I come to visit you. So,
That's
so